Hello, everyone, and welcome to our second day of our conference. And before I introduce our keynote speaker, I would like to remind you that we are going to have after party. It's going to be on AI9 campus. I mean, the catering would be there starting from 6:30. The wine will be there starting from 6:30, and we plan together like around 6:37. So it's very close from here. You just can walk from AUA to AI9 campus. If you want to search it on maps, the address is Avetik Isahakan 9. That's why it is called AI9. Okay?
Oh, it's not AI. Yeah.
No. This is not the AI that you know, right? Okay, and now I want to introduce our second keynote speaker, Goray Rapetyan. This is a very, very big honor for me because I can't say that I know Gor since I was a kid, but I know Gor since I started to do data science. Now, for me, he is one of the symbols of this trade or this science that we have in Armenia. Please welcome Goray Rapetyan to talk about semantic layers.